Welcome back to Kids Cooking Adventure, and today we're going to be making this delicious macaroni cheese. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is a family recipe, so I've called in my nanny
Hello!
to help me make this. So nanny, what do we need?
We need a bowl to start with.
So it's a cooking pot.
Right. We then need to cook the macaroni.
So we've already pre-cooked it.
Which we've pre-cooked, that's right. Then, okay.
Yeah.
Then we need milk, and it needs to be the thick milk.
So that's 300 millilitres of milk.
And plenty of cheese.
Yeah, 500 grams of cheddar.
Then you layer it, and after you put the macaroni, you've got a layer of cheese, and then you put your rosemary and pepper and garlic salt. But to start with, we need to put some butter.
Grease the cooking pot.
Yes.
Let's do that now.
Okay. That's it. Just put it around the edges at the bottom.
So I finished greasing, Nanny. What do we do next?
We have to strain the water off the macaroni.
Okay.
And then we can start putting layers of cheese and macaroni.
So we use to drain the macaroni with this.
That's right.
Which is called a
colander.
Thank you. So let's go do that now. So this is 300 grams of pasta, boiled and drained.
Right, and now you will need to put it in here.
Yes.
But make sure that you don't overcook it.
Okay. So this is so that the pasta can absorb the milk. And then the pasta will be nice and creamy and flavourous. So how much do we put in?
Just enough to cover the bottom.
That is too much.
Yes, otherwise you
take some out. So if this happens, you put some back in.
That's right. Just make sure there's a decent layer of pasta.
Like that.
That's it.
So
now you can put
just enough to cover the bottom.
It's not watery, is it?
No, it's not.
Okay. Right, put a good layer of cheese.
Sprinkle some cheese over that.
Make sure when you're spreading that you do the corners, otherwise you'll have some macaroni.
Just
taste this. Just taste this.
Yeah. Go with that.
Right, that's okay. Now you can just sprinkle some garlic salt on.
Just a little bit because it's very strong.
Oh yeah, that's plenty. I usually do it much finer, but never mind. You'll learn as you go along. Now the rosemary.
How much do we put of that?
Just the same. Just sprinkle it around. That's it. A bit more than that. And you could use Italian herbs if you wanted something different. That's it. Now the pepper.
And then we do this over again until.
Now you start again.
So then another layer of macaroni.
Yeah. You just need just 3 layers of macaroni, so it keeps it going.
It's not enough.
Ooh. There we are. Now
and some
cheese.
So what temperature does the oven need to be, Nanny?
About 180.
Okay, so preheat the oven to 180 degrees while you're doing this.
That's it. Now, now you put some
the herbs
and pepper in again. That's it. Well done. You've got the knack now. Pepper, that's lovely.
Just like that. And
the last lot.
The last little bit.
Yeah. have a bit of cheese. That's it. Lovely. Then one of the things you could do is before you put that in, put the milk on, otherwise the milk takes all the garlic, salt and everything right down to the bottom, and you've got plenty of that
Yes,
there.
so that's...
So pour the milk in, but make sure it doesn't come up over the...
so you can't see it at the sides. Or
Yes, that's right, otherwise it could be a
too
bit...
much and a bit soggy.
It's a bit soggy, but you can always add a little bit of milk later on if it seems to be going hard.
So that's 300 millilitres of milk or a big splash. So just
Do it gently.
all the way round, just like that.
Is that all right? Can you see just see the milk at the bottom there?
You could just see the milk.
Okay.
So the pot needs to be 2/3 full of milk and everything like soaked by it. So now we put the final layer of herbs on it, don't we?
Yeah, final layer, so that the herbs don't get taken down into the rest of the
And then we've got garlic, salt,
herbs.
the rosemary,
It should finish up nice and brown on the top.
and the pepper.
Good, well done.
Then this needs to go in the oven, but for how long?
Well, it all depends really. A small one like this could probably be in there for half an hour. It all depends how much, whether you like it really cooked or just a little. But normally with the big one, I put it in for 3/4 of an hour.
So let's put this in the oven. So it's out of the oven. Nanny, is it a good colour?
It's a lovely colour, dear. You did a very good job.
Right, should we try it then?
Absolutely.
So
Just a little bit.
just
Beautiful and soft. Whee! That's it. There we are. Absolutely lovely.
Lovely. Let's try it.
Look at the cheese, it's beautiful.
Beautiful. That is delicious.
Very nice. Very good.
Thank you, Nanny, for helping me.
That's all right, sweetheart. It's a pleasure.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do that by clicking the button here. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.